So you've already prepared your data to be imported by getting the student list in a .csv format, and you've deleted your students from last year. Now you're ready to import the data as the site manager into WriteOnline so students can log in at home or at school or any computer with the internet. So you go to the site and you're going to click on, after you log in with your username and password, only site managers will have the Manage Site tab. You need to click on that. There's only one site manager at each school. And then once you get to the Manage Site screen, you're going to click on Students, just like you did when you deleted the students from last year. Now you'll click on Browse and locate that .csv file. Make sure you're selecting the .csv file, not the Excel file, and then click Upload. And it'll take just a moment. And then you'll see it'll give you a little preview of the data. You'll need to check the date format, change the date format to match up with how it's presented in your data. And then what you're going to go through is for the columns, it's going to guess pretty accurately in terms of the sequence of which columns match up, but it just wants you to go through and it'll give you an example last name and first name and other data for one student, usually I think the first student on the list, just so you're matching up the data accurately for the columns. And you do not need to do unique ID or class because those are not columns or data that you're going to be importing. So after you get down to password, that's the last one that you need to double check. And then you'll click Confirm the Data. And it'll may take a couple moments for this to upload for you. And then it'll bring you to a screen where it gives you a data preview, and it just shows you what the usernames and last and first names look like. And you'll want to eyeball a couple of these just to make sure as a last check that the names match up the way you want them to. And then after you've kind of scrolled through the list and just eyeballed a few names to make sure it matches up, you'll go down to the data, down to the bottom of the screen, and you're going to click on Create Accounts. And this may take a minute or two. And then it'll show you the accounts you've created. Now the accounts are ready for students. Their usernames and passwords should match the exact username and passwords that they use to log into the computers at school, and they're ready to go.